If you are picking a factory right now, what 3 questions should you ask? Hi, I'm Leon from Aofinova. I've realized that most executives are looking at the wrong things. Forget about the fancy showroom or the brand new machineries because that's just a performance. If you really want to know if this new supplier can actually grow with you, you only need to ask 3 questions. First question, ask to see the full record of their last customer return. Any factory can make a perfect sample, but a return log can show their logic of finding the truth and solving real problems. If they hesitate or claims it never happens, that's your biggest red flag. Question 2. Ask the owner directly. If raw material costs spike by 20% tomorrow, which part of the process would you sacrifice to stay profitable? This question tests their integrity. If they promise prices will never change, watch out. They will likely swap in cheaper materials you can't see. A real partner always honors to talk about money first, but they will never touch the quality. For the last question, ask the production manager directly. Tell me, what are the 3 specific details where my product is most likely to fail? If you are talking to someone who truly knows your product, I guarantee you, he will tell you exactly where and which the product may fail. If they cannot answer all these questions and can't give you a real-world disaster story they have ever faced, they will not be able to grow with you in coming future. In fact, there are no standard answer to all these 3 questions, but the factory reaction is everything. Aofinova has spent 25 years helping our client to find out the truth behind all this talk. If you are looking into and want to build a supply chain that actually lets you sleep at night, follow us. Contact me and let's talk about what's really happening on the ground. And I'm Leon. See you soon.